Hello friends, in today's class it is chapter 6, Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. In last class we learned about the same chapter, and in that chapter we learned about prime factor of given numbers. Students, so do you remember what is meant by prime factor? Means first of all we know what is meant by prime number. The number which have only two factors, one is 1 and another factor is number itself. So these two factors, and there is no any other factor other than these two factors, such number are called prime numbers. Now, after that we learn about prime factors, how to find out the prime factor of given number by dividing by each prime numbers. Okay. Now see, in today's class, it is about SCF. In today's class, it is about SCF, means highest common factor. Dear students, before today's class, we already learned about the SCF of how to find out the SCF of given number. But in that classes, we learn how to find out SCF, and in that classes, we find out the SCF by finding their common factors only. But all those factors were not common there. All those factors were not prime factor. But now in today's class, see, find the SCF using prime factorization. Now what we have to do here? We have to find out the SCF of given number by prime factorization method. Means here we have to find out first we have to find out prime factors and then SCF. So see here question number A, it is 24 and 40. First of all find out the factors of 24. See, it is 24. See, these are prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So what are these? These are prime numbers. Now, okay. First of all, you divide by 2. First of all, you divide by 2. If it is possible to divide by 2, it's okay. If it is not possible to divide by 2, means not exactly divide by 2, then we will have to try with next number. That is 3, next 5, like that we have to continue. See, so is it possible to divide 24 by 2? क्या इस 24 को 2 से डिवाइड करना पॉसिबल है? ऐसा नो? Is it possible to exactly divide 24? Yes, it is exactly possible. It is possible exactly divide to 24 by 2 because 2 is even number, and each and every even number can exactly divided by 2. So see, when you divide this 24 by 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, so it is 12. It is 12. Okay. Then divide by 2 again, it is 6. It is 6. Then 2, it is 3. Then it is 3, it is 1. It is 1. So see, 24 divided by 2, 24, it is 12. Then 2, it is 6. It is 3, it is 1. So like this, when you divide 24, then your factor, prime factor, 2, 2, 2 and 3. 2, 2, 2 and 3. Next, see, it is 40. Now what is this? It is 40. Now you divide by 2 here again. Because it is 20, 40 is what? 40 is, what is this 40? 40 is even number. So can divide this 40. Now see, 40 by 2, 2 2s are 4, 0, 0, 2 zeros are 0. It is 20. It is 20. Then again it is 2. It is 10. It is 2. It is 5, it is 5, again it is 1. It is 1. Okay? So see, 2, 2, 2 and 5. 2, 2, 2 and 5, these are what? What are these? These are prime factors of 40. Now see, here, prime factors of 24. Now what are the prime factors of 24? 2, 2, 2 and 3. 2, 2, 2 and 3. Okay, these are prime factors of 24. Next, prime factors of 40. Now what are prime factors of 40? 2, 2, 2 and 5. 2, 2, 2 and 5. So what are these? Again now, these are the prime factors of 40. 2, 2, 2 and 5. Now common factor. Now common factors. Now what are the common factors here? See, it is 2, 2. Then again 2, 2. Here 2, here 2. See, 2, 2, comma 2 and 2. Okay. Now see, common factor, it is 2, 2 and 2. These are the common factors of now 24 and 40. Now our next step is to find out SCF. To find out SCF of 24 and 40. SCF of 24 and 40. क्या होगा SCF and 24 and 40? See, now whatever common factor are there, ये जो हमारे पास कॉमन फैक्टर है, now we have to multiply this common factor. So write like this: 2 into 2 into 2. Okay? 2 into 2 into 2. See, now 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8. So our product is 8. So this 8 is SCF of 24 and 40. So this is our answer by using prime factorization method. This is our SCF of 24 and 40 by using prime factorization method. So dear student, same way we can find out the SCF of any other number now. See, we will try the next example. See, next example it is 28 and 68. 28 and 68. Again we have to find out the prime factor like here. First of all we will find out the prime factor of 28. See, and then we will make a list of here 68. Okay, see 24. So this is 28, 2, 3, 5, 7 like that. These are the prime numbers. Now try with, first of all we try with 2. 2 से try कीजिए. यहाँ पर 2 होगा बेटा. Then क्या होगा? It is 14. It is 14. Okay. Now when you will divide it 28 by 2, 2 1s are 2 and it is 8, 2 4s are it is 8. It is 14. Then try with 2 again. Now divide this 14 by 2, 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. See, 7, 7, 1. Okay, so this way it is 2, 2 and 7. 2, 2 and 7. These are the prime factors of 28. Now next, try with this 2 because it is even number. Exactly divide by 68. See, I am 68 by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So it is 34. It is 34 and then it is 2. It is 2. Next. Again divide this, again you can divide this 34 by 2 because it is even number. So now 34 by 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. So see, it is 14. It is 17 now. Now see, 17 is even number, is not even number. So we cannot divide this 17 by 2. 2 से divide नहीं होगा. अब 3 से होता है देखिए तो. Actually when you make the list of prime number, the 17 also itself is prime number. 17 तो prime number है. So 17 will not divide by any other number other than 1 and 17. So 17 will be divided by only 17. Okay. So see, because 17 is prime number, so it is 1. So these are 2, 2 and 17. These are the prime factors of, these are prime factor of 68. Now make the list here. Prime factor of 28. क्या है 20 की लिस्ट? 2, 2 and 7. क्या है? Prime factors of 28, 2, 2 and 7. Next. Factor of 68. क्या हो गए? 2, 2 and 17. 2, 2 and 17. So these are the now prime factor of 28, prime factor of 68. Now common factor. Now what are the common factor? See, it is 2, 2, 2, 2. So here you can write 2 and 2. 2 and 2. So what are these? These are the common factors 2 and 2. Now SCF of 28 and 68. क्या होगा? नाउ वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस टू कॉमन फैक्टर, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So this way these are beta, this is 4 is, what is this 4? Then 4 is SCF of 28 and 68. Now next, see it is 55 and 105. तो आइए 55 को पहले डिवाइड करते हैं बेटा, मैं यहाँ पर 55 and again 105. See, it is even number, not exactly divisible by 2. Now try with 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. Now see, it is not exactly divisible by 3. So we will try with now 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Okay. So it is 5. Then it will be 11. Now it is again 11 is itself is prime number. So divide 11 by 11 only. So 11 1s are 1, like this. Okay. Next number is 105. 105. Again see, it is even number, so cannot divided by 2. Now we try with 3. 105 by 3. आइए 3 से ट्राई करते हैं. 3 3s are 9. It is 10 minus 9 1. Then 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So what we have to do? Here we have to 3. Then it will be 35. 35. Okay. Then see, it is 35 by 5. Again you can divide, try to 3. 3 1s are 3. Then 3 1s are 3. It is not exactly divisible because remainder is 2 here, not 0. So we will try with next number, that is 5. 5 से try करते हैं भी. 5 7s are 35. देखिए 5, it will be 7. It will be 7. It is 1. It is 1. Okay. Now prime factors of 55. क्या है बेटा भी? 5 and 11. What are prime factors of 55? 5 and 11. Then prime factors of 105. It is 3, 5 and 7. 3, 5 and 7. See, prime factors of 55, 5 and 11. Then prime factors of 105. It is 3, 5 and 7. Now next, common factors. क्या बेटा common factor? See, it is here 5, here is 5. It is here 11, not here 11. Here is also 11 is not, 3 is not here, 7 is not here. So only one factor is as a common factor, that is 5. Common factor only क्या है यहाँ पर 5 है. Now see, SCF of 55 and 105. SCF of 55 and 105 क्या होगा फिर यहाँ पर देखिए. SCF of, see, only one factor is as a common factor, that is 5. So whenever there is only one factor as a common factor, then that common factor itself will be its prime factor. जब भी यहाँ पर बेटा किसी भी नंबर के कॉमन फैक्टर में ओनली एक फैक्टर एज ए कॉमन होता है, देन वही कॉमन फैक्टर विल बी इटसेल्फ बिकॉज इट विल सी इट इज 5. तो एचसीएफ ऑफ 55 and 105 is equal to 5. So this way it is SCF 5 of 55 and 105. Now next number it is 72 and 81. 72 and 81. See, it is 81. 72 and 81. Now see, it is 72 divided by 2. It is 36. It is 36. Then it is 2. It will be 18. Then it is 2. It is 9. It is 3. 3. It is 1. Okay. So see, 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3, 1. So 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. These are prime factors of 72. And it is now see 3, 81. Then it is now divide. We cannot divide this 81 by 2 because it is even number. Sorry, it is not even, it is odd number. So 81, 5 with 3, 3 2s are 6, and 3 7s are 21. This way answer is 27. Again 27 is odd number, so divide by 3. Now 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Your answer is 9 here. Again this 3 3s are 9. Now 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now see, prime factor of 72. क्या क्या बेटा प्राइम फैक्टर 72 कौन कौन से देखिए तो 2 2 2 3 एंड 3. क्या है प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 72 2 2 2 3 एंड 3. देन of 81, क्या है प्राइम फैक्टर 81 3 3 3 एंड 3. क्या है प्राइम फैक्टर 81 3 3 3 एंड 3. नाउ कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है कॉमन फैक्टर देखिए 2 इज हियर नॉट हियर, तो सी 3 इज हियर 3 देन 3 एंड 3. क्या हुआ 3 एंड 3 3 एंड 3. देखिए कॉमन फैक्टर्स 3 एंड 3. नाउ सी SCF of 72 and 81. Now see SCF of 72 and 81 का जो SCF है वो क्या होगा बेटा, इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई करो अभी. 3 into 3 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So this way in today's class we discuss about how to find out SCF by using prime factorization method. Okay, thank you.